My name is Simon Liu and I'm a residential realtor with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Realty VanCentral in Vancouver, BC. Today we're going to show you how to put up a shelf. To start, we want to gather everything we need. So for this project, we're going to need a drill, the hardware that shelf will specify, screwdriver bit and a drill bit. We have a level, some green tape just to mark up the tape where we want to drill rather than marking up the wall. We have our measuring tape, a trusty pencil, a stud finder, and if necessary, we have anchors. Okay, let's begin. To start, we're going to need to find a center of the wall that we're putting the shelf on, and to do that, we're going to need to get some tape, and just to find center, we're going to put an approximate level what we're going to need to know. That's right there. I'm going to take the measuring tape. So for instance, we got 39 inches, so that's 19 and a half. Better measuring tape. Our next step is to find the first stud. So we want to have at least one stud for the frame to sit on. That will give us some stability. We take the stud finder and we're going to need to mark on the tape. Next we're going to take our measuring tape again and find the center. There, that's 12 inches, perfect. We're going to take the tape, that's the center. So we have the walls marked up where the stud and the other location is going to be. What we're going to do next is find this top center by using the bottom hole that they've given us. So we're going to first position it on the wall where we want it, and we're going to mark that bottom hole. I'm going to use a screw that I'm going to eventually put in the wall. Here's our hole that we have marked. We're going to measure the center of the hole they've given us to the center of where the screw is going to sit. And for us here, it's 3, 4, and 3/8. We have the first mount up. It's not secured, but it's up. And we're going to use it to find the center for the second side. So this side is going to be different because there is no stud here. The stud's way over here. We're going to need to use an anchor for both holes on the top and the bottom. There we have it. The shelf is up, it's level, and optional, you can secure it from the screw holes they're given. I don't have any screws to do that right now. And you can continue all the way down and put as many shelves as you want. It's a simple project. It was easy to do and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.